Namaste, all of you from Vietnam. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Yoga. My friends, today my topic is the Sun Salutation. As you know, my friends, Sun Salutation is the source of the energy from the outer world also, as well as within also. So you know, my friends, there are the many different kind of Sun Salutation. Means there are many variations of the Sun Salutation, and there are also the many names of the Sun Salutation also, like some people call like Surya Kriya, like different names we have, but I call the Sun Salutation as a transformational yoga. Why? Because I think this is the perfect exercise from physical level to reach until to spiritual level. Why? For that, I'm going to make these videos. Why I'm calling to this the transformational yoga from physical to the spiritual level. So you know, my friends, Sun Salutation is the series of the 12 physical postures. So first of all, I'm going to show you all postures one by one. Why? Because I want to give a light some specific point. Whenever you are going to practice the Sun Salutation, so you should try to focus on that points. So maybe that point it will bring from you from physical level to spiritual level. For showing us the 12 postures, so I am most welcome to the Miss Gooden. Gooden also will going to show us the 12 postures one by one. So here is welcome to the Miss Gooden. Thank you. The first posture name is, my friends, the prayer posture. So first what we have to do, first please stand erect or gently, maybe your big toes of the heels together, okay here. And then slowly bring your palms together in front of your chest. And after that, the chest and bring the awareness to the palms and the pressure of the palms and the area getting the affecting. So that area you need to bring the awareness. After that, relax the whole body, okay, and maybe you can close the eyes here. And mentally offering the homage to the sun, the source of the all life, and relax the whole body again. And second thing you have to remember, you need to be aware to the breath. Third thing, my friends, okay, from physical to spiritual level, you can concentrate on your heart chakra, anahata chakra. After that, maybe you can also can see the green color. Maybe you can see the bija mantra of the chakra, yam. Okay, also you can chant the Sun Salutation mantra, Om Mitraya Nemaha, salutation to the all of the friends, the sun. After that, also if you want to make the more higher awareness, also you can say Om, Om, Om mentally. So like that, my friends. So like that, friends. So you can follow this. You can follow these points. You can remind all these points. Okay here. So like that. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the second posture about the Sun Salutation here. So here, if you like it, please, if you like this my video, so please like it, comment it, and share it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new more videos, new more interesting videos. Thank you so much. Namaste again. See you.